just a number? Is this just a dream? Caught in the code of a silent machine. No escape from the question we chose to believe. I pressed a button once a day, not knowing where the road would lead. No fortune told, no promise made, just faith in what we couldn't see. They laughed at time, they chased the prize. I chose the weight, the unseen line. While markets screamed and towers fell, we built in quiet, step by step. No banner raised, no trumpet cried, just human hands on the other side. Not bought by fear, not sold by greed, a network born from what we need. Not a coin to run away, not a spark that fades with yesterday. A promise held in time, a living proof of patience line by line. They called it nothing, called it fake, a ghost without a price or face. But every door we didn't break became a wall against disgrace. No open gate for thieves to pour, no fire sale of what we made. We chose restraint, we closed the door, so value wouldn't rot and fade. Open it, not yet. Sell it, won't tempt it. Price, now.
Who decides the worth of trust? Who survives when systems rust?
People, not the charts, not kings or gold. What if value isn't loud? What if strength is staying bound? What if freedom waits its turn until the rules are finally learned? We are still alive.
Not behind, we sold but we survive.
No empire but our name. We remain when others burned in flame. No shortcuts, no exit scams, no borrowed crowns, no paper thrones. We are the ledger, flesh and bone, a million notes, one common tone. So if you ask me what pie is worth, I won't reply with numbers first. It's time restrained and trust preserved, the future patiently earned. Nothing to lose. No.